Welcome to my channel. Arlo Essential Outdoor Camera 2nd Gen Charging Guide, 2026. Step 1. Remove the camera from the mount. Carefully twist and remove your Arlo Essential Outdoor Camera, 2nd generation, from its wall mount before charging. Step 2. Bring the camera indoors. Always charge the camera indoors in a safe and dry place for better charging performance. Step 3. Open the charging port cover. Locate the rubber flap at the bottom of the camera and gently open it to access the USB-C charging port. Step 4. Connect the USB-C charging cable. Insert the included USB-C cable firmly into the charging port of the camera. Step 5. Plug into a power adapter. Connect the charger to a 5V/2A wall adapter for stable and faster charging. Step 6. Check the LED indicator. After connecting properly, the camera LED will briefly flash blue, confirming that charging has started. Step 7. Let the battery charge fully. Keep the camera connected until the battery reaches 100% for longer backup and better performance. Step 8. Monitor battery status in the Arlo app. Open the Arlo Secure app and check the battery percentage anytime from the device settings. Step 9. Disconnect and seal the port. Once fully charged, unplug the cable and close the rubber cover tightly to keep the camera water resistant. Step 10. Reinstall the camera outdoors. Place the camera back onto the mount and adjust the angle to continue monitoring your outdoor area. Thank you for watching.